Here I have Nokia 5710XA, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first let's go to menu, then we go to settings, then you go to about, oh wait, you go to system, then you go to about and select restore factory settings, then select full restore, delete data, OK, and after that device will be restarted in like a minute or something. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.